What is on the agenda of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he tours France and Slovakia?
The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, finished the first leg of his Europe tour in Nice in France yesterday. He held that very important integral bilateral meeting with President Macron. He also inaugurated the maiden Bharat Innovates Summit in Nice. He is in Slovakia. He is holding that very important bilateral meeting with the Slovak Republic Prime Minister, Robert Fico. That is extremely important vis-a-vis India's bilateral relationship, India's trade relationship, India's defense relationship with Slovakia. Now, after the free trade agreement that has been signed between the two regions, India and European Union, it further strengthens ties between Slovakia and India. Remember, Slovakia has continued to be traditionally a provider, an exporter of defense equipment and military equipment to India. Defense technologies is also one of the key aspects that are the feature of India-Slovakia relationship. But this relationship between India and Slovakia is not going to stay within the realm of client and supplier mode. The push at this point of time is, and it has already happened, that there are a number of Indian defense manufacturers in the private sector that are also providing defense technologies and defense equipment to Slovakia. The other important aspect when it comes to trade between Slovakia and India is the export that Slovakia does of automobiles across the globe, and for which it imports automobile components from India. So that also gets an impetus with the European Union and India FTA, which is going to be a direct benefit to Slovakia and India by way of reduced tariffs. So those are going to be the talks that are going to be the focus between Prime Minister Modi and President Robert Fico when both the leaders meet in Slovakia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be in Slovakia on the 16th and 17th of June. 17th of June is when he is going to be flying out of Slovakia from Bratislava, and he's going to be arriving here at Evian for the G7 summit.